They're very cute. What are they, glitter?
They're glitter shoes.
Ooh, fancy. Kit got glitter
Oh, what's
shoes.
this?
They're open. Little socket. Oh! I'm gonna open. I'm going for the big one. This is for me and Callie.
What is it?
It's that candy thing Callie wanted. Candy.
Her candy to share.
And candy. Tablet! And tablet has popcorn in it. Tablet! It comes with Facebook on it. Mommy, it comes with Facebook on it. She can post things on Facebook now. Let's see if this is candy.
No, leave that close for right now. You start opening up your gifts. Just put your wrapping paper in a bag. So nobody trips over it.
Are you the wrapping paper police?
Yes, I am this year.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yay! I must have got the other one.
How do you know?
Hey, this is ding ding so knock a wood. Knock a foot. Wood. Wood on that. Lily's tearing open a present. Who gave that? What? I got this in my cabin. I got a lantern. Yeah.
Ooh.
And that's the cabin.
Pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. Headlamp, a flashlight, and a lamp.
You should be able to see in the dark at camp, Julie.
Yeah. Especially if all the snow.
What's Callie ripping through over here?
That's mine. That was a mistake.
Callie, this must be the doll.
Oh, that's not mine.
It's the doll! Let's find the doll. I got that one. It feels like there's a present in the back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Foot Taylor's shoes.
Oh, they're mine.
And ooh la la! Oh, golden boots, yeah! Santa gives me gifts. Look it. Sage.
Who?
Sage. Sage and Kit. What's this?
That'll open it up and you show us.
Oh! What is that?
I just hope it's not another snowman that poops.
Me too. Whoever thought that present up was crazy.
Mommy?
Oh, and it says Julie on it.
Ooh, what's that? Callie, what was that?
Bring it over.
It's a money duck.
I got
It's a bar of soap that you have to use to get the money out of it, Callie.
It's soap. You have to rub on your body to get the money out. Is that
Ooh,
cool?
Julie, is that your art kit?
Yeah.
You like that?
Is that what you had, Santa?
I don't think so, but he just got it to me.
Well, you said you wanted lots of art supplies.
No, but I didn't mean this fly. Oh, safe! A safe? Oh, dang.
See, that's for your money when you get it out of the money soap.
Dang it.
And your name's on it. That is.
Julie, hold that up again. I want to see that. That is really neat.
I know. And now I got paintbrushes and glitter glue.
Wow.
What's this? They're kind of
Let me see.
That is awesome.
Old Maids and Uno. They're card games.
Match the color.
They're games we can play on New Year's Eve with all our other ones.
Is this fun ripping open presents and see what you get? I know. Yay! A backpack! That's the same what I got.
How does Santa know?
I know that.
Man, that guy is a reading machine we used
Oh my
to.
God!
What's that, Julie?
My tablet. Bobby is
Oh my goodness.
You got that?
That is cool.
Awesome.
What is it?
You got.
She has her own golf cart. That Barbie has everything.
Just skip it. Santa knows us.
No.
You.
What?
Something for